the lights on my car. I'm going to fix that with a 3M Headlight restoration kit. The first thing you have to do is mask around the headlights. Trust me, you have to do this. Otherwise, this happens. But this car is a piece of shit, so I don't really care. You start off with the roughest pad in the kit and change the pad often. It's a rather fine grit sandpaper. Change the pad as soon as you feel that it's full of gunk and worn out. There's no special trick here, you just keep grinding and changing pads. When you've used up all the pads or ground through all the damage, it's time for the first magic step. Batricite disc. Batricite disc needs plenty of water. You have to keep it lubricated or it will burn out. And this is where we start seeing the light at the end of the tunnel. After the Batricite disc is the last magic step. Polishing. And if you're anything like me, this is where you run out of batteries and light. We're picking up where we left off the previous day. And this is where we actually start seeing the result of our work. The more time you spend polishing, the better off you are. Once you're done, remove the masking tape. And that's it. The lights are looking awesome and they shine so much brighter at night. Here's a quick before and after. I think it was well worth the effort. That's all I've got in store for now. Thank you for joining me in this installment of Rolling Junk, and goodbye.